guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's up? It's Fox, FEAUX.Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Done, Yada Done Dada, however you want to know me. It is your girl. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing our Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. And I am really excited for Valentine's Day. So the shirt that I'm wearing, you probably have seen this shirt on my channel before. It is a long sleeve shirt because it is kind of cold, but it's kind of like off the shoulders. So I found like this would be like really cute, a cute little date night top if you guys were like going to be going on a date and it's not that cold but it's kind of windy. Let's jump right into it with this makeup tutorial. We're gonna go ahead and prime our eyes. Before I prime my eyes, prime my face, I'm gonna take the Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer. I'm also gonna take the Too Faced Hangover RX primer and apply just a little bit of this. Now I'm going to take the Sephora Bright Future Shimmer Mist, an instant glow mist or something. It looks so glowy on my skin. So I'm not really spraying this on my face, just really my décolleté. Just makes everything looks really shimmery and glowy. I want to do this step because I do want to be like glistening for Valentine's Day. It looks just really sexy. We're just going to dry that off. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. We're going to start with the eye. First, I'm going to take my Ace Beauty eyeshadow primer base. I got this from my BoxyCharm. I'm just going to take this little buffing brush and apply. And just really make sure all of that is buffed out. Okay, so now that I have that buffed out on my eyeshadow, I probably should have did my brows. I'm just going to take this spoolie and brush my brows. The first shadow that I'm going to use is the MAC Uninterrupted. And I'm just taking this shadow and really building it up. I'm focusing it on the outer corner, but I'm also, once I get that blended out in the outer corner, I'm also just going to take the extra product and blend it over in the inner crease area, just really lightly. I'm not adding any more extra product. Just really making sure I blend that out. So I have that shadow in my crease blended. Now I'm going to take the MAC eyeshadow in Saddle and also build this in my crease with a dense blending brush. I'm just going to take this and blend this out in the crease only. Take the brush that we had originally and just blend everything together with no extra product. Make sure you blend everything in so there's no harsh line. For this Valentine's Day look, I really wanted to do something extremely simple and soft with my eyes. I still technically want to do that, so I think what I'm going to do is show you guys a day and night look. So that's what we're going to do. I am going to dig into the Under Escape eyeshadow palette. I am going to take this nude beach shade that's right here. Oh, in the brush that I'm using, so I got these brushes. I don't know which BoxyCharm it came in, so don't quote me. But I got these brushes in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. Here they are right here. This is my first time using them for this video. So far, so good. I really like this brush, specifically the 211 concealer brush. I like it for my eyeshadow, y'all. Yeah, I'm just pressing this onto my lid. I'm not wiping it, y'all. It is more beneficial. The product will stick better. That's just what I observed by doing that versus the wiping and pulling motion like this. You want to just pat. The eyeshadow palette is a little I don't know, I don't think it's working well with my eyeshadow base, because the MAC laid on really nicely, but I don't know, this one is kind of, it's gonna take another, well, the same blending brush, no extra product, and just blend out the ends and edges. The ends and edges. This is really the look that I'm planning on doing for Valentine's Day. And I know it can be boring, and if you don't want to just leave it at this note, you can, you know, add more. I'm gonna add more as well. However, first I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm just taking some of my concealer, placing it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take this angled brush here, line under my brow. Now that we have that on the eye, I'm going to tap into that nude beach. Just use this under our brow. I am also going to incorporate this pigment that I found from Ulta Beauty. This was only $10. The Ulta Beauty Lustrous Foil. Oh my gosh, this is in the gold leaf shade. Going back into our Wondrous palette, dig into that dark brown overnight shade. It's a lot darker than Saddle. And add that right in your outer crease. And make sure you only concentrate that in your outer crease area. Also make like a little V with the extra product. You don't have to add any more product for that. We're gonna dig into Flourish right here. That's this pink shade from the Wondrous palette. It's a pink shimmer shade. So we're gonna get a lot of that with an angled brush. And we are just going to line the bottom lash. My lash area with that pink, and I'm just gonna do it to this other side as well. And it might work better if you wet your brush, or it might work better if you have like a real glitter pigment and you use a real glitter. I have a real glitter pink pigment, but I just, you know, that's a little too messy for me right now. I'm just gonna make sure I line this all the way out. Like, it's like a really beautiful, subtle type of look. And now we're going to take that foil pigment that I was just raving about, you guys. I cannot wait for this. I'm going to take that same brush and dig into it. It's like really, really creamy. When you press into it, it like folds down. We're going to take that foil and use that in our crease. Take it over like so. Now I kind of made a mistake. This one is a little too fat, so it made it really fat right here. I don't know, it doesn't really pick up the way that I want it, but I'm gonna keep going because it's not like too bad. I'm just gonna do the same for here. Now I'm gonna take my Give Them Lala mascara and add my mascara and lashes. And I actually really love this mascara better than the tint mascara that I featured on my BoxyCharm Best and Worst. But I actually just found this again. I lost it for a few months, so I couldn't feature it there, and I'm glad I found it. Because this is actually a really good mascara. Comment down below if you're still using hair glue to apply your lashes. Because I don't know if you guys can tell, but my lashes, my natural lashes, are so curly. There isn't any lash glue that truly works for me. My lashes always end up fighting them off. So that's why I use that. While we wait, I'm gonna take that overnight color And these are just some old lashes, y'all, but girl, it's Valentine's Day. Use some new lashes. Okay, this is the eye makeup. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Oh, I went ahead and did my foundation and everything. I'm just going to run down everything with you. So for my foundation, I'm testing out the new NARS Light Reflecting Advanced Foundation. And so that's why I didn't actually feature my entire makeup routine in this video. But if you guys would like to see my thoughts and opinions, be looking out for that. I will be posting that video sometime next month, unfortunately, because I already have other videos ahead. It'll be out like March the 2nd. So for my concealer, I used these two, the NARS concealer in Amande and I also used the e.l.f. Flawless Eye Brightening Concealer. Under my eyes, I am doing the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. Oh, I also reviewed the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer just a few seconds ago, so you guys are also seeing my contour from there. And what else do I need to show you guys before we keep going? I think that's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and bronze with the Fenty Sunstalker bronzer, and this is in the shade Mocha Mommy. So I'm actually going to take this blush brush, Luxie brush in 514, and bronze up my skin. And I'm just going to give it like a light bronze because I do have that e.l.f. cream bronzer on, and I don't like to do too much bronzing when I have a cream bronzer on. Let me also contour my nose. And I like to just keep the contour, the powder contour, right here in this area up here. We are going to be taking the MAC NC45, and I'm just going to be using this with my Morphe foundation brush, and literally just to set my makeup. And I'm just actually pressing this into my skin, and I am going to also use this to wipe off that powder, that Beauty Bakery powder. Also going to do blush. For blush, I am taking the Berry Spice from Ulta Beauty. This is a blush trio. I'm going to be digging into this mauve blush shade right here. It looks so gorgeous. I haven't used this at all, so we're going to be using her because she is like lightweight. I am going for a really natural look, and she is very natural actually. And add some of that blush look on my nose. I just really love extra blushing, y'all. That's like my new thing now, the extra blush look. I like to look like an anime girl kind of. Highlighter, did I pull? Oh yeah, for highlighter we're going to be taking the ShesFeaux Botanical Happy Hibiscus Luminizer and Blush Palette. You guys, I also got this from my BoxyCharm. This is going to be my first time using it. And the reason why I want to use it is because look at that packaging. Is that packaging not the cutest thing ever? So yeah, I'm like, this would probably be perfect for Valentine's Day. Dewy Drop. And that is a pinky. That's this shade right here. Dewy Drop. Oh yes. That looks actually very glossy. I like that. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna also add some of the other one on top of that because that kind of just was a little too much. I wasn't expect. I wanted it to go on like this when I did too much on the other side, y'all. Oh, that looks horrible. That looks horrible. Okay, I'm just gonna flush some of this out with my face powder. Oh my gosh, that looks horrible. Also gonna add some mascara on my bottom lash. I have to sharpen my MAC pencil. I'm taking Cork, of course. It's like a perfect nude for me. And I'm gonna line my lips. I am going to take the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Butterscotch and add that right in the middle. It's a perfect nude gloss, and these are not that expensive. These are only like $5. Comment down below if NYX butter glosses are still a holy grail for you. Okay, you guys, so that is the final look. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I think everything came out really beautiful, with the exception of the extra whatever going on over here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Comment down below some of your date night makeup ideas, and I really do hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang.